go, folks. Just had another siren test on Monday morning of April 5th, 2021. I'm located here on the northwest side of town here with this tornado siren right here by the American flag right here. You just heard the test just went off. Just remember, folks, tornado sirens do help us. They can help us in case if we have like an actual tornado sighting or any civil emergencies or any other stuff like that that can warn us in case if there's something might threat to us here in Wert and the rest of the country and the world. Well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying that siren test, and I'll see if I can get more soon, okay? All right, thank you. All right, bye.